Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you should do is open the Instagram app. Then, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile option. Next, click on the three lines situated in the upper right corner. Then, select the settings and privacy. Once you're in this section, scroll down until you find the account privacy here. And after clicking the account privacy, you will see the option for a private account. If you want to make your account private, simply follow these straightforward steps. And to enable the private account feature, simply switch the toggle button to the on position. However, please note that if you have a creator account, you won't be able to make it private. You need to have a personal account instead of a professional account. Once you have turned on the private account setting, your account will be made private. That's all you need to do to make your account private. However, if you have a professional account and wish to change your account type, you will need to access your account center located here. And from there, you will have the option to switch to a professional account or choose a different account type. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.